everyone, you're welcome to Biochemistry Basics here. So today we are going to be looking at amino acids. So these amino acids, they are organic acids that serves as building blocks for the synthesis of proteins. These amino acids, they exist naturally as zeta ions. A zeta ion is a molecule that has a net charge of 0, meaning that it has both a positive and a negative end. Basically, there exist 20 naturally occurring amino acids. And all these amino acids, they have this general formula. They have an amino group, they have a carboxylic group, they have a hydrogen, and then they differ now only at the level of this arrow group here. All the amino acids, they must have this general formula. Now, these amino acids, they can act as buffers, meaning that what? In a basic environment, they can act as acids, while in acidic environment, they will act as bases because they are zeta ions. Now, look for instance, in this kind of environment, let's assume that this environment here is a basic environment. This is a basic environment. This amino acid is going to act as an acid in this basic environment by doing what? By donating a proton. So it's going to donate this proton here, and then it's going to end up with this kind of state. So this is where the amino acid is acting as an acid. So it's donating a proton, and the proton is coming from this amino group here, this amino end here. And at the end of the day, we have, instead of NH3 plus, we are going to end up with NH2. So you're going to donate this proton here. While in an acidic environment, in an environment that is very acidic, it's going to act as what? It's going to act as a base by simply accepting a proton. When we say an environment is acidic, it means that it's an environment that is having many protons, that is saturated with protons. So it's going to act as a base by accepting now those protons, and they're going to enter in this carboxylic end here. And instead of COO minus, we'll end up with COO plus. So here it's acting as a base in an acidic environment, and here it's acting as an acid in a basic environment. Now, these amino acids, they can be classified also as essential and non-essential amino acids. Essential amino acids, there are those type of amino acids that cannot be synthesized by the body. Basically, a bacteria like E. coli can synthesize all the 20 naturally occurring amino acids, while humans and other organisms, they can synthesize only some of the amino acids, while they cannot synthesize some. So those amino acids that can be synthesized by the system or by the body, they are referred to as the non-essential amino acids, while those ones that cannot be synthesized, that can only be gotten from the food that we eat, from the meals that we eat, they are referred to as essential amino acids. Now, some of the essential amino acids that we know, we have alanine, which is an essential amino acid. We have valine, we have histidine, we have isoleucine, we have leucine, we have methionine, we have proline, we have tryptophan and tyrosine. So those are some of the essential amino acids that cannot be synthesized by the system. They can only be gotten from the food that we eat. So that was a brief introduction about amino acids, and if you love this video, please kindly subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much.